Lenovo is launching its 2018 line of ThinkPad X1 devices at the Consumer Electronics Show this week with three new models: the 2018 ThinkPad X1 Tablet, and the latest ThinkPad X1 Carbon and ThinkPad X1 Yoga laptops. They are all premium thin and light machines designed for the business market, and, unsurprisingly, they are not cheap. Prices start at $1,599 for the 2-in-1 tablet, $1,709 for the laptop, and $1,899 for the convertible. But if you're not fazed by the high price tags, these are some pretty nice little computers. I got a chance to spend a little time with the new ThinkPad X1 lineup last night, and all three models support up to an 8th Gen Intel Core i7 quad-core processor, feature high-resolution displays, and solid build quality. They also all feature some form of Lenovo's TrackPoint system with a pointing stick in the center of the keyboard as well as a touchpad below it. The ThinkPad X1 tablet is a 1.9-pound tablet with a built-in kickstand that can be adjusted to nearly any angle, even allowing you to place the tablet so that it's almost flat against a table. Add the detachable keyboard and you've got a 2.8-pound laptop-like device, and the keyboard has a nice solid feel to it, unlike some keyboard covers for tablets. Lenovo went with a 13-inch, 3000 by 2000 pixel display this year, and a 3:2 aspect ratio and relatively lightweight makes this tablet fairly comfortable to hold in one hand while using an active pen to write, draw, or navigate Windows 10. While the pen is too thick to fit in a slot in the tablet, Lenovo offers a storage solution that's a bit less flimsy than the magnets used by Microsoft's Surface Tablet and Surface Pen. The pen fits tightly into a plastic loop that slides into a slot in the tablet. Once in place, there's very little chance of the pen falling loose accidentally. Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon is a 14.1-inch notebook with slim bezels and a slim design. It measures about 0.6 inches thick and weighs about 2.5 pounds. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon will be available with up to a 2560 by 1440 pixel IPS display. It has two USB 3.0 Type-C ports, two USB Type-A ports, an HDMI port, a fingerprint sensor, a Think shutter camera cover, and a display that can fold down 180 degrees. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga has most of the same features, but in a convertible design. Flip the lid back 360 degrees and the keys in the keyboard recess to give the back of the tablet a smoother surface when you are using it in this mode. You can also use the computer in tablet attend mode by propping it up to watch videos, make video calls, or view presentations. This model weighs about 3.1 pounds and also measures about 0.6 inches thick. Lenovo says all of its new ThinkPad X1 products should be available later this month.